Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you my delicious recipe for potatoes with meat. We call it ragout de pomme de terre here in Guinea, and I hope you will love this. So I have here 1 kilogram of potatoes, which I cut in cubes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt on my potatoes and mix. Then I will heat some oil and fry my potatoes until they are brown. So this is just to give them a nice color, not to fully cook them. And when my potatoes are all brown, I will remove and set them aside. Now on my beef, I'm going to season it with black pepper, ground ginger, curry powder and salt, and mix this well. I'm going to heat my vegetable oil and add half of the onion with 2 crushed garlic. This is just to give a nice flavor to the oil before adding the meat. Saute this until the onions are tender and then you can add the meat. Note that you can use any type of meat for this recipe. I just love to use beef. And guys, I wish you could smell this. The onions, garlic and spices in the meat. Oh, it's awesome. And if you love my recipes, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious African recipes. Then once the meat is brown, I will add some mustard and mix. Cover this with water in order to cook the meat until it's tender. Once the meat is almost done, add the remaining onions, parsley, and green pepper. For the exact measurement, please check in the description box below. I will then add some paprika, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some herbs. Mix this well and let it cook for a few minutes until all the flavors come together. Now you can add the fried potatoes, and don't forget we just gave our potatoes a nice color but they are not well cooked. So I'm going to add some salt and cover with water in order to cook my potatoes well. Cover your pot and let everything cook together until all the liquid is almost absorbed. Check to see if the meat and potatoes are cooked before serving. And serve this with bread or rice if you like. I hope you loved the recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up now. Have a nice day. Bye.